You're going to destroy the relationship and you're going to destroy the business. Whenever you're trading with anyone, lay down your expectations. Business is a 50-50 trade that's satisfactory for both sides. I'm going to repeat that. Business is a 50-50 trade that's satisfactory for both sides. And when you understand that in business, I have to lay out what? My expectations. I have to tell you what I want. We have a lot of trouble with this overall. We use relationship rules for business rules. I'm going to explain the difference. What are relationship rules and what are business rules? One of the main rules of relationships is you give without wanting anything in return. I do it because I want you to be happy. I'm in servitude of my wife. I'm in servitude of my husband. That's relationship rules. Business rules is a 50-50 trade, meaning I have to lay out my expectations for the other person. I have to state what I want. I have to tell the person, here are my expectations. And the person says the same thing. I get what I want, and you get what you want. It's an exchange. Here's what happens with this concept. A lot of us, we use relationship rules for what? Business rules. Why? Because we want people to trust us. I go into business with you because I trust you. And I tell you things, you know what? Let's not write things down. It's okay. You're going to destroy the relationship and you're going to destroy the business. Whenever you're trading with anyone, lay down your expectations. Have that be one of your goals in terms of a business understanding. When you do that and you understand the differences between both sides, then you go into business. You can have great business relationships and great personal relationships. A lot of my clients become my personal friends. Why? Because we do the business right.